Tired of staring at charts all day and still missing the big moves? What if you had a personal AI analyst working for you 24/7? Hey everyone, let's be real. The market moves fast. Crypto, stocks, Forex, it's a full-time job just to keep up. You see a green candle, you jump in, and suddenly it reverses. You get a tip from a friend, but it's too late. The frustration is real. You're leaving money on the table simply because you don't have the time or the advanced tools to spot opportunities the second they happen. But what if you did? What if you could get a nudge on your phone the moment a high probability trade sets up? That's exactly what we're talking about today. This is Fox Signals. It's an AI-powered platform that does the heavy lifting for you. Its advanced algorithm is scanning the markets, crypto, stocks, and soon Forex, every single second of every single day. It analyzes patterns, trends, and volumes to generate what they boast is over 90% accurate trading signals. Think about that. A success rate higher than 90%. That means out of 10 trades, 9 are potentially profitable. This isn't magic. It's machine learning constantly adapting to market conditions, always on the lookout so you don't have to be. How it works and benefits. So how does it work for you? It's stupidly simple. 1. You get a real-time notification straight to your phone. A signal is found. 2. The signal tells you what to buy, when to buy it, and where to set your take profit and stop loss. 3. You copy the trade on your preferred exchange. That's it. No more analysis paralysis. No more emotional trading. You buy and sell when they notify you. It saves you time, it minimizes your risk, and it maximizes your potential. They provide up to 10 of these high-quality signals every single day. The unbeatable deal. Now here's the best part. Normally, a service like this would cost you a huge monthly subscription, hundreds of dollars, but right now, Fox Signals is offering a lifetime deal. Let me say that again. A one-time payment of just $69 for lifetime access. That's less than the cost of a single bad trade. This is a no-brainer for anyone serious about improving their trading. Stop working so hard on your trades and start getting smarter signals. You need to check this out. The link to get this lifetime deal for Fox Signals is in the description box below and in the pinned comment at the top of this video. Click that link. This deal will not last forever, and neither will these market opportunities. One quick but important note. Trading is risky. You can lose money. Only risk what you can afford to lose. Past performance isn't future guarantees. Fox Signals gives you the tools, but you are responsible for your own trades. That said, why not use every advantage you can get? Let AI handle the analysis, and you handle the profits. Go check the link and let me know in the comments how Fox Signals works for you. See you in the next video.